Trust, part one, have a watch if you haven't already, ended with this reflection. If you're wondering why you might be struggling to communicate effectively with someone at work, consider first if you've taken the time to build a relationship with them. And secondly, consider where trust sits between you. Here's a simple tool for considering just that, where trust might be missing between you and a key relationship. It's called the trust equation, and it looks like this. Trust equals credibility plus reliability plus intimacy over self-orientation. When you're deciding how trustworthy somebody is, you ask yourself this. Firstly, is this person credible? Can they do what they say they can do? And do you have some experience or evidence of that? Then you ask, is this person reliable? Will they do what they say they're going to do, and will they do it on time? What's your evidence and experience of them doing that? Next, you ask yourself, has this person been real with me? Intimacy might sound like a strange choice of words, but think of it this way. When somebody has chosen to share something that's personal, from a place beneath and beyond ego defences, you trust them more. Furthermore, it invites you to do the same. You risk vulnerability as well. When you risk a bit of vulnerability together, you build a deeper relationship. Next, you question motive, self-orientation. Is this person just out for themselves, or do they have an eye on the greater good? Are they for you and your success? Are they for the success of the team and the organisation? Self-orientation has a significance weighting in this equation. It matters more than the other factors. We're a social species, and part of our evolutionary success is dependent on figuring out if a newcomer is friend or foe. You're adept at scanning for self-orientation, whether you trust another to enter your group or not. Subconsciously, we're all assessing each other against this criteria all the time. Consider a relationship you're currently finding difficult and have a think about how you view the person, how that person might view you, and then think about the four aspects of the trust equation. Where do you need to do some work here? In what area of trust do you need a shift? What difference could that make? In part three, we're going to take this a stage further and consider distinctions for trust. Distinctions for trust give you more flexibility in how you build relationships.